Good morning, everybody. Welcome with Life with SJW. Today I'm about to show you how to do an oil change in a Honda Accord. I got my oil, my 5 quarts of oil, 520. I got my oil filter. So let's get started. So basically you need to lift your car up. See, I got 2 jacks under there. And I got a tire. And here got my oil for my oil pan can drain. So let's get started. It'll take 5 or 10 minutes. So if my camera keep moving around because I'm doing it on my phone. All right, I get some light so y'all can see. Go under the car. See this right here? This is your 17 meter. And there you are right there. So first, that's what you do. You have your little pan under it. Make sure y'all can see it when I'm about to do it. All right, you see that? That's your 17. I got my 17 right here. So it's kind of hard to do with the camera, so you put it in. That thing tight. I don't know why they take this thing so tight. I'm trying to get back because I ain't trying to get no oil on me. I'll make sure. Hope I'm getting my cover now. All right, back with the video. Here we go. Was gonna use a drill, but I'll show y'all. All right. Make sure you catch everything. I probably ain't got no oil in it. I don't know. Oh, there you go. Please have something for your hand. Shoot. In your arm. See that thing draining down? Yeah. So you gotta wait till everything drains before you can just take your oil filter out. Cause if you take that first, everything gonna go splatter around you. So make sure you take this 17 socket off first, drain all your oil before you do your oil filter. All right, so that's draining down slowly. So I apologize for moving the camera around, but I'm trying to do it on my phone and show y'all best I can. So stay with me. You're gonna need something big because there's a lot of oil in here. So make sure you my bad, y'all. I had all on my phone. Oh well. I'll clean it later after my video. Alright, so you come up here, you can use your pliers or you can use your hand. I already loosened it with my hand, so I just gotta take it. Make sure you ain't get on my cover now. All right. No. Can't get them coming now. All right, now you gotta tip your oil pan over because of this one. Make sure you have something on the ground. So I'm twisting it now. You can see it. So that's it for that one. So here got the old one. Y'all can see. I'll just throw that in there because I ain't gonna use that one. All right, everything drained down. All right, wipe my top off. You gotta wipe it off before you put it up there. Trying to find my rag. Got it. So how I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna wipe it down off, make sure everything coming down. If it's not, you still can put the top back on. Some people ain't trying to be waiting till that thing keep dripping. So I'll go ahead and put my top back on. My cap, my 17, make sure all the threads there. If it's not, please, I'm sorry, I apologize. Make sure all your threads is there. Please, if you don't, if there's not a lot of thread on there, replace it because it's easy and can pop off when you drive and hit bumps. Or you can strip it. You don't want to have that strip. Then you gotta, hold up, bear with me. I'm trying to get my camera right. If I lay it down, y'all won't be able to see it. So I'm just gonna twist it on camera, let y'all look at the oil. So I twist it, everything gonna tight, snug. So now you get off. Sorry for my garage. So you get your new one. I got, yeah, you're doing with no shoes on. So get your new one. There you go, right there. Pop that thing off. Get my camera right. Bear with me, please. Get that. You can put old all around the seal, but I ain't got time for that. Bear with me, people and boys and girls watching this video. So you get your new one right here. You put up here. I ain't gonna put nothing. I might. Let me see if it's gonna drip around. Nah. So I'm put a new one back on. Tighten it. Tighten as you can. People use pliers, but you got good thread, don't mean nothing. It means some good stuff. So I got that thing tight. Apologize for that. She on there. Let me get this tightened up again some more. I was going to not tighten up. We're going to throw the oil on it, but no, we're going to drain. So, bear with me. Hold the phone right here. Kind of hard doing the video. Could stop it. So I'm gonna move this out the way. Put my phone right here. Hope y'all can see it. I gotta wipe my phone out, alcohol because I got all on it. Kind of hard doing a video, one person. Make sure that thing tight. Get your rag. Wipe all. I'm show you. Got it all on my phone. Gotta clean my phone. Wipe all the grease around the thread. Make sure everything clear and clean. So now I'm gonna wipe my oil filter because I'm gonna keep on getting it tight as I can. All you use pliers, but it don't really need to be that tight. All right, she tight, and so bear with me. Again, you get muddy, you get a lot of grease on you. So now I got my oil. So now, sorry for put my hand on the screen. Take this off. I take the oil stick off too. Go ahead, put that right there. Get your oil. I ain't never used this oil. Put in the comments if you think this is a good oil to use on a Honda Accord in the car with high mileage. So I just pour the whole thing in because it'd be better. I don't have my keys right now. If I crank it up to like 3-4 armrests. Get the engine running. I might do it on camera. Probably gotta go in the house and get it. My keys. I was trying to be prepared for this video, so I apologize to everybody. Yep, got a 2.4 liter. Make sure you got all the oil out, cause you don't wanna waste your money. I'm trying to put the oil in. All right, got the oil in. Oil cap. I put this back on. Supposed to wipe the stick. I am gonna wipe it with my rag I got right here. Wipe my stick, make sure it's clean. Put my stick back in. Then you step back. Make sure you ain't got no leaks. See, you ain't got no leaks in your car. Yeah, you gotta make sure that. See, ain't no leaks, leaking oil or nothing in your car. So you make sure. I got all on my phone, baby. All right, you guys, you see, I don't see no oil. Let's crank it up. Right now, you gotta get some little gas. The 3 right there. For like 5 seconds and let it off. Cut the car off. Then you gotta go make sure your oil is good. Your level of your oil is good. Yes, sir. You probably can't see it. I'm gonna get to the light. You probably can't see it, but yeah. If it say F, see that F, that second notch, that means she full. I make sure ain't no leaks or all. So everything clear. The only thing you gotta do next, just clean up. Thank you for watching my video. I apologize again for going around with the camera, showing you other stuff, not the vehicle. So I apologize. You can like and subscribe to the channel, and y'all have a blessed and great day. Thanks.